Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 4th of April afternoon analysis. On this video, we will cover some charts with you. Before starting, I will just share some news with you. Alright, as you know, Tesla has released first quarter car sales, and among the other automotive companies, legacy companies, the only company posting growth. The other ones all declined because of these chip shortages, mainly supplied from China and some other places. All right, that was it. And also another thing happened with not Tesla but with Elon Musk. Elon Musk has bought personally 9% of Twitter shares. So right now it's kind of partner of Twitter. And you remember like 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks ago, he just made a poll on Twitter asking people the freedom of speech in Twitter. And many people just replied as no, and shares declined. And now he just bought. And people just think that, all right, Elon Musk wants to bring some other way to Twitter. We will just see in the coming days and months what will happen. All right, let's start with Nasdaq. As you can see on the chart, we are starting with Nasdaq. Nasdaq has declined with, as we can imagine, on here, last Friday with positive non-farm payroll data. The reason for that mainly is expectation of higher interest rates, because Fed is always repeating that if we just see higher employment and lower unemployment, we will be more hawkish. So unemployment rate is pre-COVID levels right now, so there are a lot of room for Fed to go higher. When that happens, people will just switch to bonds, and risk appetite for stock market will just go less. And also the companies trading in Nasdaq and other US listing will just have more we'll just pay more for financing. It will just make some cut off on their earnings. All right, that's the one. As you can see, it's just trying to rebound, but this is the critical level, because just before the Friday it was trying to this level as well. It is not happening. We may see some rebound as well, but on long term some decline is possible. So we need to hear some good news on that side. We need to see, and we are in April, so companies will just release their earning dates. So when we start to see earning data, we will see higher levels or lower levels of Nasdaq. All right, let's get our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
Alright, our second chart is Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin is trading at critical levels. Why critical levels? Because as you can see, there is a trend, it's ongoing, and it just like a declined some, but then just went like that, and now it's making some peak moment right now. If it can just move above this trend line, it will just test 95. As you can see here, it will just test on here. It will just test 95 and then 54,000 levels, but it should pass over this trend line. But if we don't see that one, it will just go back to 44k level, just like here one more time, and this time it can just make a breakage. So you know, many people just said that Bitcoin bear is happening. So it may be true, because dollar index is just going higher, interest rates are going higher, and year to date we are on the 4th month of 2022, and still we are year to date still in negative territory for Bitcoin. So we will just wait and see in coming days. But if we don't see some positive news for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, definitely we will be on these levels. All right, our last chart is silver. Silver is just trying to hold its game from on its favorite place. As you can see here, even before just before the attack of Russian attack, it was trading on these levels. It just went a bit higher, but still not high as these, not high as like a $27 level. So it is just trying this one, but pushing downward too much, just like gold. US 2-year bonds and 10-year bonds are just making a lot of pressure over precious metals. If that goes on at these levels, we will definitely see downturn, another trial of these one in silver prices, and it may be a good buy point. If it just comes under that one, it's also another sell point. So watch out closely, and if you just see that second or third one, so you may just sell it, and then it's just, as you can see, struggling to hold the gains on the support line, but it's not successful that much. It may go under that one, and you can make profit by selling it. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news. We will cover more charts with you. Have a nice day. Bye.